Hey, what's up guys? So, in this daily primer, we are going to be going over Euro USD, the buy trade we have right there. Let me just open it up on the beautiful big 49-inch screen I'm in love with, and my wife's probably jealous because I spend more time with this baby than I do with her. But anyway, it's okay. It pays the bills, right? And the bills, when the bills are paid, you got a happy wife. And when you got a happy wife, you, my friend, you have a happy life. Anyway, in this daily primer, we're going to be going over the tactic of the Euro USD buy trade. Now, I'm going to go over in detail about my strategy for this, how I'm doing it, what I'm doing, blah, blah, blah. So you'll get the whole picture. First off, let's start with the weekly compounding formula, and then we'll move on to everything else so I can explain to you what I'm working with. The Laros, the Euros, the Pesos, the whatever. Let's go there right now. Welcome to our TradingView account. Now, check this out. This is Euro USD. This is the screen, the exact screenshot I sent you guys. There's the buying zone. We moved down to the 1 hour chart, so just ignore this stuff here because we're focusing on the 4 hour chart for that more. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. So on the this is the daily actually. So this was done on the daily. Let's go over that on the daily together. Let's go over the complete review. While that's loading, let's go here. Let me explain to you what I'm working with. So 10,000 balance starting 2 weeks ago, cleared 0.2%. If you guys remember, I didn't take those two big take profits on GBP trades, GBP USD buy, GBP JPY, which came really close to TP, and I didn't, which only resulted in me applying the compounding tool and adding the tactics modules to the actual trading, which resulted in a massive 57% ROI the next week. But remember, my target growth for the week is just 6.5%, so I'm way ahead right now. I'm sitting with a balance of 15,723 and 85 cents. Don't believe me? Check this out right there, live account. Boom, boom, boom. A little bit more than that because I actually closed a very short WTI trade this here. Took it small up and then I went out because of the trading stop loss. But anyway, so what I'm working with. This is my total allowed lot size. It's up to 2 lots, so I'm okay. What I have now on Euro USD, let's focus on that for a second. Euro USD, let's arrange it by symbol. 09 entered up here based on this possible bullish continuation. Right, there it is. But we quickly came out of it and came back down. We will go over this. I have 09 and I just entered 04. There's my stop losses on both trades. You can see both trades have a stop loss. WTI doesn't yet. It will soon. So you get what I'm doing here. Let's move this out of the way. This is what I'm working with. And I'm going to show you why I just rebought. Where is this? No, not here. It's here. Okay. Here we go. So daily, let's start with the daily. We have the key zones, the ones that we need for now. We don't want to spend hours and hours putting in key zones that are not relevant towards what we're trading right now. Remember, the market team is important, and with the market team come these key levels. This is where we are at right now, guys. We have this trend line, which was broken. Let's zoom in here and just show you that. There it is. There's the trend line and the 13 EMA. Remember that. The 13 EMA has just been broken, and I don't expect the dollar to be too strong based on what I see on the DXY. We also have the support zone here, which I'm going to show you much better on the 4 hour. But for now, we have this bullish contraction which broke out after 2 tests. 1, 2, 1, 2. Rejection, rejection, rejection. You see these little spikes to the downside? Hey, pay attention. These little spikes to the downside have indicated to us that there is pressure, guess where? Right at this zone here. You see that? That is the closing zone. And we had rejection. And that's really good for bullish indications. Now let's go down to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, this is what we're working with. The low, the high, the 61.8 lines up perfectly with the daily resistance of this level. Furthermore, the EMA 13 on 4 hours right there, and guess what? On the daily, it's there too. We're rejecting it. If I zoom out, you'll see this zone here being a current support, right? So trading is risk vs reward. Remember that. We took a risk up here based on this pattern on the 1 hour chart. We said, hey, this looks good. Let's get into it. I entered 0.9 lots. I didn't say, let me go all in with my 2 lots and yeah, it's gonna fucking be amazing. No, I said 0.9. Totally fine because I get to build this. On the breakout, I can compound. On the downside, I can compound. I created a tactic. And my tactic changed once I seen that price action is breaking to the downside. Said there's no need to take that loss yet. Let's increase the stop loss. It's below, it's like 2% or what? Let's see. So let's do it like this. So let's open this position up and we'll see exactly how much percent of my account the stop loss is. 2.29%. 362 euros. 2.29%. You get it? My risk reward got messed up, right? I'm risking more to get less, right? Risking 360 to get 240. But guess what? Because of this here, now my risk parameter is also increasing. I'm adding on a little bit, and I'm going to add on a little bit more once I get further indications that this could be a reversal. 15 minutes left to this chart. I don't want to keep this daily primer too long. I'm just going over my tactic. If I win, hey, I win. Awesome. I only win when I close the actual trade in profit. If I lose, that's okay. There's still a lot of time left and I managed my risk well, meaning I did not lose more than basically 3% of my account. Or let's see, 2 point something plus, how much do we have here? Risk 0.5, less than 3% risk, guys and girls, less than 3%. This is called, see, 2.29 and 0.3, 0.5, right? So the risk is low. And by doing so, I've just pretty much evened out my risk reward ratio. And I still have half a lot, and even more if I want to use the 2 lots, I can do that. Which means, I still have 0.7 left actually. So I can do 0.7 on the next trade and really maximize my ROI there and increase it to a 3-to-1, 4-to-1, depending where I enter, 5-to-1, depending where I target. So yeah, anyway, we are witnessing a nice little rejection. 14 minutes left for a new 1 hour candle and a new 4 hour candle. This rejection here is beautiful and that's exactly what we want to see. This little wicks, that's what we want to see. Now on the 1 hour, we're making a bullish candle. You just seen it on my C trader. We're making a bullish reversal candle. There it is. You see this candle? That is a bullish reversal candle. Guess where it is? Right there, baby. Right there. Now, we almost tested 61.8. We didn't complete the retest. Oh, I'm here. I think you guys lost me for a second. We didn't complete the retest of the 61, but we did of this. Still 13 minutes to go, so I'm not going to talk just yet. I'm going to pause this recording and I'll get back to you in 13 minutes. Right, we are back. Here comes the new candle in 16 seconds. What am I showing you? Now, I went in the community here and I told everyone US dollar index update, retest of 61.8 lines up with support and resistance. Now, let me show you this. When we're trading the dollar, it's extremely important to be checking the DXY. Now, DXY is in a downtrend. I sent this in the uh, in the upcoming week stuff that I released in the morning today, 3rd of February. And we are in a downtrend and we just broke this trend line here, so we're expecting the dollar to be weak. It's only smart to continue buying this. Now, based on this last candle here, bullish candle on the 1 hour, I'm doing my final buy, 0.5, so that means 2 lots there, and then I'll push it all the way up here, 42 pips, a nice little day or swing trade. So guess how much I have here now? I got 9 and 9, which makes it 1.8, right? I didn't go the full 2 lots. I still have 0.2, and I'll do that on any kind of breakout here and maybe ride this baby a little longer if I get the right indications. So far, the US dollar index, by the way, trades differently on the 4-hour chart. It's based on the New York Open. So this is going to be coming out in 2 hours, a new candle. So far the rejection is good, but we need to wait and verify if that is all going to be good. On the euro side, we just opened a new candle. We have the rejection we want to see. A test of 61.8 almost happened, but a test of the EMA did. You get it? That's really important stuff. So if we manage to keep this test, that means we're in a new uptrend. What we want to see now, ideally, is the low not to be lower than the previous low, which is here, and that's way below our stop loss, so we're going to get out if that happens. But low, high, so higher, so that's a high, then a low right there, higher low than this one, and then we got a high, which is higher than this one. We, gentlemen and ladies, are in an uptrend. Congratulations. A short-term uptrend based on the EMA. Now, we're also using this level here as a support. See this, which is great. We're closing above it. What we don't expect is price action to just go boom, 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 and fly up straight to our TP. Remember that we've got two of them. One is 161, and the other one is 120. We might go for 161 depending on whatever happens here. And we might ride this one all the way to 161, which, by the way, lines up beautifully with this closing and rejection zone, right? You see that? Lines up great. So we're going to ride this. We still have 0.2 left based on our trading tactic and risk parameters and position sizing. Excuse me. The flu is gone, but I still got a horrible cough. Anyway, looks great, right? That's our strategy. I just explained it. I showed you what we're doing. There's the buying zone. We went in here, we went in up here, and we just went in the middle. There are all the trades. You can check this out here. You can see it's a live account, so it all works. You see, boom, boom, boom. It's not a screenshot or something. I can move things around. I can click up here, write new order. I can change the layout and blah, blah, blah. So it all works. It's all real. And you can verify that in my FX book too. Or if you go to our copy account on our website. Anyway, so what do we have? We have a bullish candle on the 1 hour. We got a bullish candle on the 4 hour. Well, bullish rejection, support at 13 EMA, 61.8 working well, support level working well. Gentlemen, ladies, we are going up. I might turn this into a swing trade and target 161. If I do, I will let the community members know. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful month of February. Bye-bye now.